Okay guys, it's May 10th, Youth Day, last day of turkey season, and we've been seeing this gobbler go into our hay field for about a week now after we disked up a dove field, and now we're gonna go down there this morning and see if we can't kill him. Let's go.
Whenever you're ready. Whenever you're ready.
May 10th, Youth Day, at our new farm, and we just killed this gobbler at 8:30, whatever time, I think it's 8:30. He came running in, and he gobbled like 80 times.
C-O-U-N-T-O-Y, I'll be country till I die. Every day and every night, it's the only way alive I've ever known.